Hello, hello, hello. Morning, Year 5. You might be getting to your English page thinking, what? What is this? Other than, hey, there's handsome Mr. Cooper. Well, what it is you've done a week of recapping some of the main features of Year 5, and obviously from Year 4 as well, things that tick over and improve. And I know that some of you have really enjoyed writing during this lockdown period, because a lot of you have mentioned, there's been a good 10, 12 of you sending in writing every week, even if it's the week after, and you're saying that you're enjoying it because you've not got the restriction of the lesson to do your writing. You can write for 20 minutes or a couple of hours, or you can stop and start. When you get an idea, you can carry on with it, and that's brilliant to hear. It's lovely, and that's actually more genuine to what a writer would feel like, rather than, right, we've got an hour, let's get started. It's let's get started when you've got an idea. So today, I'm going to let you do another story. I didn't do one this week because I wanted to look at the features, but you can write about whatever you want. If you want to use the story spinner again, find last week's work and you can use the story spinner. If you've been inspired by something we've written about, do your own version of that. Yesterday in the hub, we were looking at speech, and somebody wrote about a human who was going to eat a cupcake. You can write about anything as long as you can make it powerful. Okay, but also do remember, obviously my example of a cupcake, that was just for some speech practice. We're looking at Year 5, we're moving into Year 6. The maturity of the writing, the maturity of the idea starts to step up. So, the things we've been talking about writing, the video with the pilot and the emotions that they're potentially having, the hunting for mystery items, magical items, really meaty things. But have a look at this week's stuff. Can you use all of those things in a piece of writing? So can you get direct speech, reported speech, different sentence openers, semicolons? Can you get those in to a piece of writing? And that is your English. You also notice there's no do now, because I want you to have as much time with this as possible. So, enjoy.